What's going on YouTube? It's your boy B-Blanco, man. Hey man. Whoa. What's going on? As you can see by the title, man, I am doing something different. Yes, I know I am a gaming channel, but a lot of you guys do not know, man. I am a huge sneakerhead, man. Like a huge sneakerhead. I'm not a huge sneaker collector, but I'm a huge sneakerhead, man. And I really wanted to showcase, because this is a crazy hit right now, bro. I wanted to, do an unboxing on the Union 1's, bro. Go ahead and just look at that box real quick, bro. Just look at that box. And if I'm not doing this correctly, bro, you know what I'm saying, let me know in the comments, man, so I could do a little bit better, man. But just look at the box, bro. Like, just the box alone, fam. The box alone is crazy, man. I just want to get straight into it, man. While I'm opening these, I just wanted to kind of, give you guys a backstory. I already looked at, I ain't gonna lie, I did look at these already, you know what I'm saying? But just a little backstory on these real quick, man. Like, I literally entered the raffle 30 seconds before it closed, bro. Like, I thought that I already signed up, but I didn't, bro. I went to the website, I signed up, I entered my information quick as hell, and then I entered the raffle. I was like, you know what? It's a freaking Union raffle. Like, I ain't think anything of it. Like, I ain't gonna get these. I'm driving back home. I check my phone, bro. I got an email notification, bro. Thank God I'm at a stoplight. They say you can check out right now, bro. I grabbed my bag and entered the cart information quick as hell, bro. I entered that cart information in like 30 seconds right before I could just drive back off, bro. Thankfully, I ended up getting these bad boys, man. And here they are, man. Here's the Union paper. The shoes did come wrapped in the paper, but I took them out the paper because that paper was sensitive. I'm gonna take these out, man, and woo-wee! I'm gonna show y'all, man. Look at these right here, bro. Look at these right here, and it does come with all these crazy laces. I'm not gonna unds them because he's going straight to GOAT, man. I'm selling you. I'm gonna tell you why. Right? If I didn't have, I want to do a little comparison with the Lost and Founds because I have those already. Just take a look real quick. I'm gonna tuck these back in. I ain't gonna lie, this is a beautiful shoe, man. It's a beautiful shoe, man. Hang tag, Jordan hang tag. You got like a cream kind of upper. Cream midsole, red. It's just like a Chicago with the Union collab, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a beautiful shoe. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you, bro. It's a beautiful shoe, man. Go ahead and look at the outsole, bro. It's typical Jordan 1 outsole, man. The back, just a beautiful shoe, man. But I really wanted to do a comparison with the Lost and Founds, and the only reason why I'm not keeping these is because I have the Lost and Found, right? I already have them. I have these, right? If we're talking about wearing the same shoe, this is literally like the same shoe, bro. I want to show it like this. Like, if you're wearing pants, bro, you're not gonna see this upper. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're just gonna see the bottom half of the shoe. And because I already have these, I feel like this would be kind of a waste, you know what I'm saying? And I just wanted to kind of do a little comparison. I did put the white laces on the Lost and Founds. I just feel like it looks better. Some people do the black, whatever. The bottom is kind of dirty, I'm not gonna lie to you, but just doing the comparison of the bottom. But remember that these are supposed to look aged, right? So it's not supposed to look brand new, as you can even see with this kind of distressed upper right here, and obviously right here, it's supposed to look like, somebody obviously found them, and that's why it's not like super white, like just like the regular Chicago's, man. But I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Like, if I didn't have those, bro, I probably might have copped, bro. I probably might have kept them. I already copped them. I probably might have kept them, but they look fabulous, man. I got them in my size 2, size 12, man. It's a beautiful shoe. I don't want to make the video too long because I'm not going to try these on. These going straight to GOAT, like I said. Try to make that bread, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be completely honest with you. But I appreciate y'all, man. for if y'all tune in, you know what I'm saying? Like I love sneakers, you know what I'm saying? So if I do get some more drops, I'm definitely going to do some reviews if you guys like this. But I just kind of wanted to showcase, man, because I know a lot of people just got these and are doing reviews on them. So I just wanted to give my two thoughts on them. Very, very good quality shoe. I feel like, honestly, let me just real quick. Like I said, it's my first sneaker review, you know what I'm saying? If I'm missing some things, let me know in the comments, you feel me? But I feel like the quality is honestly about the same, bro. Like I feel like it's about the same. There's nothing special in terms of quality, but obviously the design, it's nice, man. It's a nice shoe. Oh, almost forgot about the insole, bro. See, I almost forgot about the insole. Let me take the insole out and show you guys the insole. The insole is actually kind of crazy, bro. The insole is crazy, bro. Like, there's some. So what I used to do, which is funny, I don't even think I did it on this shoe. But what I used to do was I used to put, it's not on this shoe, but I used to put like tape over the Nike Air, because if you guys know, like Jordan 1s and like just Jordans in general, the outsole rubs out, like the insole, like the writing, it rubs out very quickly if you wear them. So I used to put tape on them to kind of reserve the writing and stuff like that. But I don't know, nice quality. I feel like these shoes are gonna be very comfortable. But I mean, all Jordan 1s to me are comfortable, but it's like I said, it's a nice shoe, man. Nice summer shoe as well. You know, we're in the springtime right now. We're getting into the summer, man. But let me know how you guys feel about these shoes. If you wanted them, if you feel like they overrated, if you feel like they too hyped or whatever, like let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment section. I appreciate y'all once again. Take care, stay safe out there, and I'm out, people.